Hey there, what's up? I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I am going to show you how to add your bio on your Telegram account. So, bio is a very important thing for any of your socials. It's like explains what kind of person you are. Without any further ado, let's dive right in. So in order to do that, let's tap into the app itself and it will lead you to this chat page. So we have to look for the setting option, which is at the right bottom corner usually. So let's tap in there, and at the very top right corner you can see edit option. Let's tap in there, and this is where you set up your profile, your date of birth, your profile name, photos, everything. So here is where you can also add your bio. So you can see a bio. Let's tap in there and you can write whatever you like. Let's do it something simple like, okay, hey there, hey everyone, it's me. Just do that and tap done. And in order to check whether it's done or not, let's go back in, and there you have it. Your bio is there, updated. And that's it, people. That's it, how you add bio to your Telegram account. I hope this video was helpful. If so, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.